IMS stands for Inventory Management Software and Integrated Management System. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. What are they and what's the difference between the two? Inventory management software is commonly a component of an integrated management system. So you're looking at an integrated management system model right here, where you've got your accounting software, most likely QuickBooks, your CRM software like Salesforce, Soho, Method CRM, or HubSpot, and your inventory management software. It could be one of 20 different inventory management softwares to choose from. And they all talk to each other. And that's what makes them an integrated management system, is the fact that they talk to each other. When you convert a lead to a customer, it flows into your inventory management software if you have CRM plugged into your inventory management software. Or we can pretend like this is a shopping cart, and when an order is placed in this software, it talks to this software and flows into your inventory management software. And the inventory management software creates a posting transaction, like receives inventory that needs to debit inventory and credit payables, or ships out inventory that needs to credit inventory and debit COGS. Then it talks to your accounting software and tells your accounting software that it now has AR or AP, or inventory has gone up or down. And you don't have to enter it into the accounting software again. Now, that's inventory management software and integrated management software. Let's look at ERP. ERP is all of the features in one software. In the previous model, inventory management software was separate from the accounting software. In a true ERP, the accounting software and the inventory management software is built by the same company. It's in the same code. There's no syncing between the two where you click a button or set a schedule to sync the information. It's all in the software together in the same database or in the same account. So if you have a CRM, there's no syncing or bridge. It's just automatically there. It's all in one. It's enterprise. The resource planning portion of it refers to your human resources or your inventory resources, or you might have other resources that aren't coming to mind right now, but you're planning for these resources. So in this software, you may have scheduling for time and labor. You may have purchasing and sales and production planning, all in this one software. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. Hopefully this helped you understand the terms IMS versus ERP, and will help you in the search for the right inventory management software for you. If you'd like more details about this, we have another video that dives in a little deeper and shows you some examples of inventory management software and some examples of enterprise resource planning software for small business owners. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Like below if this was helpful.